Welcome! In front of me I have 70MAI Saphir or Saphir, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button, then press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. This menu. Once the menu appears, tap on the reboot option and the watch will start rebooting. And after a couple of seconds, it should basically reboot like this. And that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.